Sariling Mundo was a song I wrote. Sariling Mundo was a song I wrote nung kakakasal pa lang namin. And it was year 2020. Nung after namin kinasal, kami ni KZ, we chose to stay at my condominium, my small condominium dun sa Quezon City. It was like 40 square meters, gano'n na siya kaliit. Tapos, mas pinili namin na after nung wedding namin mismo, kami lang munang dalawa dun sa